Right guys, so today we're fitting some herringbone flooring. This is what we're fitting, Hydro 100% aquacore flooring. A bit different, I've not fitted this stuff before, but it's all the same when you fit the herringbone. So you get your A side and your B side, you get 3 of each. First thing you do is you set out your pattern. Make sure they're all nice together. Once you've done that, you then get a straight edge and you want to connect this file point to the center point here. Alright. Now you want to cut that, and there we go. That's your starting piece. All you do now is you take this and you fit that against your wall, replicate that for as many times as you need, and then just infill.